Todd Clark. I am the director of the Toronto Steampunk Society.
Excellent. Good to meet you.
Meet you.
So, what is the overlap between steampunk and more generally the sort of costume, cosplay area?
Steampunk bleeds into many sort of genres of other things. It's a subgenre of science fiction. It overlaps into a great many things. I mean, even in Star Trek, you could go to a world that's a Victorian world. There's one about the Archons in the original series, and that could be interpreted as being steampunk.
Where are you from?
My name is Dee Birla, and I'm from Toronto, although I work with a store that's out of Hamilton, Spencer's Mercantile.
Right. So how do you see the overlap between steampunk and the general fan expo here?
The thing I love about steampunk is I'm a visual artist personally, that's what attracted me to it, and with steampunk it's kind of an open medium that allows you to steampunk absolutely anything. So if you're a fan of any other genre, you're able to marry the two and kind of get creative with things, which is cool.
Right. And tell me a little bit about the Canadian Steampunk Exposition.
So the Grand Canadian Steampunk Expo is a festival that happens at the end of the month. It's September 23rd to 25th weekend. We take over an old historic fort in Niagara-on-the-Lake, Fort George. And we steampunk the whole thing. This year our theme is crackpot invention and twisted genius. And basically we are going to have an amazing weekend full of concerts and dueling and all kinds of cool stuff.
Okay, great. Thank you very much.
My name is Natalie, and I'm from Barrie, Ontario.
Cool. And you've got a real sort of steampunk goth look going on here. What attracts you to that?
I do like how, with the blend, that you can do so much with steampunk.
Right.
I do like more kind of dark Victorian sort of thing, so being able to blend kind of that aspect with the steampunk can really create a new expression that I enjoy.
Right.
So.
And how long did it take you to put your costume together?
To be honest, not too long. I had some bits already from other cosplays that I've done in the past, so it's easy to just kind of mix and match some stuff and being able to match that sort of steampunk feel.
Right. I'm just going to back up to take a look at your outfit here.
Yeah.
We're from Toronto and Guelph.
Right, cool. And you're dressed up as in steampunk, so who are you or how do you imagine yourselves?
You know what? We're just embracing the technology and the history and the combining the two. It's just such a cool genre and subgenre.
My name's Megan Brown, and my company is Inspired Creations, and I sell steampunk and steampunk fandom pieces.
And what appeals to you about steampunk?
Well, when I first learned about the style, I looked it up, and it was all Victorian and like pretty and gears and corsets and leather and just had a really touch of kind of badass to it. So that really drew me in.
How do you see this related to the rest of the kinds of things that are going on here at the Expo?
Well, steampunk really has become kind of a fandom in and of itself.
Oh my gosh.
A lot of people will do crossovers between steampunk and Doctor Who, and basically it's its own sci-fi fantasy genre. And there's just so much fun that you can have with it.